Hi, and welcome to the 10 square meter workshop. I recently bought this dust machine. It's part of the Bosch professional range and uses the 12-volt batteries, which I already have a lot of. Very easy to use, on and off. Couldn't be simpler. I've been looking for something small to pick up dust for when you've been using hand tools, the sort of thing where you don't want to run the dust extractor all the way across the shop. Does it work? Yes, it's pretty good. It does have one serious flaw, but fortunately that's fixable. And I can think of one or two accessories I could make for this, coming up after this. You can see the floor when you open it to remove the dust. The filter is unprotected, and those little crevices will catch all the small bits you hoover up. What it really needs is a cover. So that's what I made. I 3D printed a cover for this, and I fitted a small steel mesh inside. This is enough to trap all the fluff and larger pieces so they don't clog the filter. It just pops over the filter and it stays in place, doesn't fall off, and quite happily fits behind the front carrier. Does it work? Let's check. Yes, there's all the parts trapped by my pre-filter. When it builds up, it can be easily brushed off. Good as new. Well, with that problem fixed, what about accessories? Well, the first is this, a drill guard. 3D printed again, with an O-ring super glued to the outlet. Remember, I publish all my 3D designs on Thingiverse. Get them there for free. Here it is as it came off the printer. As you can see, I printed 4 webs to support it while printing vertically. And this of course is support for the top of the holes. The webs can be separated with a sharp knife. With this done and the supports removed, it looks like this. It would of course be used at an angle like this. It just slots into the end of the vacuum, like so, and it's ready to go. It means that when you're drilling holes in the wall, you put it over the hole you're going to drill and go through the hole, and all the dust gets extracted. We'll simulate it here on this piece of wood. Not a bit of dust in sight. More accessories? For that you'll have to watch future videos. Why not subscribe so you don't miss them? So am I pleased with it? Well, yes I am. The only problem is my wife's found out how good it is, so I might have to fight her for it. That's all for this time. Bye for now.